Welcome back, YouTube Fam Bam. We're back in California, heading to Fox Raceway for the Pitbike race the night before the Pro National. And tomorrow's actually going to be our first time ever attending a Pro National, so pretty stoked on that. Same with you boys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Hey.
It's my second, but no, this is the first one.
We're gonna go take dubs. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be like taking candy from a baby, you know, just Pitbike race.
Yeah, we heard DBK was sponsoring.
Sponsoring it, so
got a sweet
Twitch,
deal.
give us our sponsorship right now, because you know we're winning.
We might have lost the bird.
The bird's officially
No.
gonzo.
No. Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Oh, we're back.
Come on, baby.
Where's the bird?
Come to Papa.
Lloyd, come on. Land in the road. Are you certified?
Oh yeah, certified drone pilot.
Hello.
Credentials?
1 hour later.
Look at the parts I'll pay for. I'm sorry. I'll order them.
So I brought my Segway, and now it's missing a peg. Hey, you showing off to Tomac, I hear?
Yeah, Tomac was setting it. I was like, dude.
Seen it. After we just put on a show for him at the station
Tomac
track.
had to have seen it.
Dude.
I'm sorry.
We got a pretty good matchup today. You know, it's the Golden Mullet versus the Arabian Wonder Boy over there, and then in between we got Pegmen.
Yeah, throw your hat on.
Let's get it, boys!
I want to see all three of them.
Alright, so the keys to the race, every time these gates drop, everyone's gonna come wheeling out. I'm just gonna take her slow and just roll out and get a whole shot.
Let's go!
Look at this battle for second still going on.
Snap my frame.
You snapped the what?
My frame.
Your frame?
It's a dang dust show out here. We just finished up. You done?
Oh, were you talking?
Good day. As I explained earlier in the video, I won, got it done, easy, no comp. Actually, the closest comp was Riley.
I was right there, baby. I was right there.
Kyson had nothing for me though.
Kyson, frame, snapped.
Yeah, Kyson snapped his frame. Be Wild shows up at the very end of the race, fashionably late as
What's
usual.
new? What's new?
We'll be back tomorrow for the Pro Nationals.
Fox put it on. Good time, dude. This pit bike track is so sick. It's my favorite. This is my favorite pit bike track by far, second to the compound.
Yeah, this is like the sickest track ever. Just threw some water on it and it was perfect mid-moto.
Pro motocross. Let's go. Waiting on Octane per usual. Wild's here to quit his job.
Quit my job, no more full guy.
Runs handles only now.
Swap this thing, huh?
Swap this thing.
Oh.
I realize now.
Let's go! There we go!
Paul National, first thing I looked for a motocross, that would be a great day.
It's just corn.
It's not a corn dog, it's a corn dog.
I love that.
He's third, he's checking out, he's pulling away from Webb. Now the next man is going to have to deal with Cooper Webb.